morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Please take good care of your health. Now winter season is there. Which season? Yes, now winter season is there. So wear woolen clothes, okay, sweater, scarf, hand gloves and socks. And please eat healthy food. And now let's do some study. So take out your English second term notebook. And in that notebook, today we will write cursive C and cursive D. And capital and small letters we will write together. Okay. So let's see how to write cursive C and cursive D. See, by writing capital cursive C, you have to start from your second blue line and go upside this way. Okay. Just for your sake, I am doing like this, but by writing cursive, don't lift your hand up. Okay. This way. Then again from here you have to come back and this is your cursive C. Now small c. Small c you have to write only between this two blue line. So same as your capital cursive C, you have to do continuous like this. So it is your small cursive C. So today we are learning, and leave one finger space. Today we are learning cursive C. So again I am showing you. See this way. Then come down, touch the second blue line this way. Okay. Then again small c. Cursive C. Then again leave one finger space and continuously you have to draw like this. Then small c. C for camel, C for cat, C for cow, and what else C for? Come on, tell me. You must know now all the alphabets and related to that pictures. So this is your cursive C, capital and small. Again I am showing you. Start from your second blue line and go upwards and then come back, touch the second blue line like this. Okay. Again C. Now small cursive C this way. Leave one finger space and just below this you have to write again C for cat this way. Then small c, C for camel this way. Okay. Now again. See, for writing this you need practice. So every day now you have to write this cursive letters so that you will come to know how to write them. This way you have to write cursive C. Again one more time. Start from your second blue line, then go upwards, come down. Then small cursive C this way. One finger space and again small cursive, capital cursive and then small cursive. C. Today we are writing cursive C, capital C and small c. See, this way you have to write. And then small one. Okay. Now we will write cursive D. So see, start from your red line. This line you have to leave. Then start from this red line. One standing line. Then take a turn. Then go here just like your D. And then here again you have to do a turn. This is your cursive capital D. Okay. Now see small d how we have to write. Just like your C, do your, then again one turn, then go upwards, come back and a tail like this. Okay. So this is your small d. Leave one finger space and again we will draw capital D. One standing line, then a turn, then just like your D and then turn inside. This is your capital D, D for dog, and then small d we have to write. For this you need a practice. So please do practice for writing these cursive letters daily. Now A, B, C and D. You have to write all these 4 letters again in your notebook so that you can write them properly. Again now see, small d. This way. Okay. One finger space and again first capital D and then small d. I'm very sorry. First you have to start like this. Go upside, come down. Now leave this red line and again start from here. One more line we will write cursive capital D and then cursive small d. D for dog, D for door. आपके घर का जो दरवाजा होता है that starts from alphabet D. D for doll. आपका खिलौना doll. See, this way you have to write. First you can put dots. Take help of your parents and ask them to give you dots, and on that dot you have to write this alphabets, and then after doing practice you can write by your own. Okay, so you need daily practice for this. Now leave this red line and start from here. Capital D first and then small d. This way. Capital D and then small d. One finger space and again write capital D and small d. This way. One more time we will write. At least 5 times you have to write, 5 lines you have to write C, cursive C, and then 5 lines write cursive D. Please do practice and upload your homework in the given drive. Thank you. Bye.